Hi, this is Kit Welchlin, and today I'll be discussing time and stress management. I have delivered more than 600 presentations in one form or fashion on stress, time, and procrastination management. People often ask me, how are time and stress connected? Sometimes people miss the connection concerning how time and stress are connected. If we have poor time management skills, it creates pressure for deadline-driven projects. Sometimes people will focus on more fun and trivial activities rather than the important tasks. If it feels like you're always running a little bit behind or the tasks are slipping through the cracks and you're letting your team down, stress can't be far behind. Prioritize your tasks. You only have a certain amount of time, and don't waste time on silly escape activities. Then people follow up and ask, so what are the 5 stress management techniques you use? I share with them my 5 favorite physical remedies for managing stress. 1, get organized. Some research claims we spend 45 minutes a day, personally and professionally combined, just looking for things. That's 6 work weeks a year just looking for things. What did our parents used to say? A place for everything and everything in its place. Awfully good advice. I don't know if it will take you 2 hours, 2 days, or 2 weeks, but get organized. Number 2, proper diet. Try to work more of those fruits and vegetables into your diet rather than those candies, cookies, and cakes. Of course, fruits and vegetables are great, but also try to include a balance of grains, protein, and dairy. Number 3, exercise. I'm not going to ask you to get up every morning and run 3 miles. I don't. I have a brother that does. I'll run if I'm real scared, but I don't run for exercise. Practice these 5 criteria to an exercise program. It has to be something that causes you to move. That's real important in an exercise program. It has to be something that causes you to breathe deeply so you get the aerobic benefit. It has to be something that causes you to bend, put elasticity back into the muscles and ligaments. And it has to be something you enjoy, and it is at your pace. That's an exercise program that will last a lifetime. Number 4, massage. Some people routinely schedule a massage. Many people say it really reduces their stress. Massage can reduce stress. It can relieve stress if you don't mind people touching you. Virtually every symptom of stress can benefit from massage, from lowering the heart rate to relaxing the muscles to releasing endorphins. And number 5, take walking breaks at work. Walking together feels like we're working together to deal with the issues. Also, take walking breaks with your family. Don't stink up the dining room table with conflict. Go for a walk and talk about family struggles. Protect the dining room table for positive family exchanges rather than conflict situations. Now that I have their interest, they will usually ask, what are the 4 stress management techniques that are psychological strategies for managing stress? Well, one of those is give yourself a nickname that you like. Not the nickname other people have given you. Give yourself a nickname that you like. It's just enough of a psychological pick-me-up to diminish your stress levels. A nickname frees us up to be a little bit more playful and action-oriented. Number 2, reading can reduce stress too, especially if you pick something you enjoy reading. The University of Sussex found that reading for just 6 minutes has shown to reduce stress by 68%. Reading relaxes the body by lowering the heart rate and easing tension in your muscles. Number 3, positive affirmations are a great psychological strategy. Positive affirmations can be a powerful tool to reduce stress, to increase feelings of personal power, and support change and transition. Pay yourself a compliment when nobody else does. Finally, I think laughter is good medicine. As I've always said, a laugh a day keeps the doctor away. Laughter is a wonderful strategy to relieve stress, and I'm not kidding. Laughter enhances your intake of oxygen, stimulates your heart, lungs, and muscles, and increases the endorphins that are released by your brain. So back to time management. I often get asked, how can someone learn simple strategies to prioritize tasks and improve time management in order to manage stress? Well, one of the simple strategies you can use to prioritize tasks is to approach your list of things that you're going to do today like an NCAA sports bracket. Create a bracket system. Just like 2 teams competing with each other, it's the same way with our tasks. So between these 2 tasks, which one is most important? Out of these 2, which one is most important? Then between those 2, the last 2, which one wins? It's quick and easy, and it's a quick and easy way to break the deadlock of our thoughts and take action. Taking action is how we improve time management in order to manage stress. Action removes anxiety. Finally, the last question today is, how can the amount of time a project takes increase stress levels? There's an old principle of time management that claims the amount of time we allow is how much time it will take. So my question always is, why take so much time? It sometimes seems like everything gets done in the last 5 minutes anyway. So how can the amount of time on a project that it takes increase stress levels? Because projects are usually based on these three things: quickness, quantity, and quality. If quickness or the deadline is changed, then quantity or quality may need to be modified. If quantity is changed, then quickness and quality may need to be adjusted. And if quality is changed, then quickness or quantity may have to give. When projects drag on, stress levels often rise. Being prepared to make decisions about what's good enough can reduce this chronic stress. If you or your coworkers are looking for tips on time and stress management, contact me at kit@seminarsonstress.com and I will provide a presentation packed with practical strategies to manage the stress.